Hey, what's up everybody? Brian here from T-Sportline in Atlanta. It's a good chilly morning here in December, but I wanted to share with you this Cybertruck. We've done a lot of wrapping, you know that. This is another new color, TMaxx Metallic Psychedelic Black. I don't even know where to begin with this one. When it's dark out and not in the sun, it looks like black. But as soon as the sun hits it and the metallic flake kicks in, it's anybody's guess what color this is. It's really a rainbow of colors. I'm seeing blue at this angle. If I move back here, I've got a little green tint. If I get in close, it turns to gold. This is really a wild color, absolutely worthy of the name Psychedelic Black. It's gonna blow your mind. This is the first time we've done one of these colors, and we did it on this Cybertruck. This customer came to us in Atlanta from out of state. Kind of a typical thing for getting these wrapped at T-Sportline, and this thing is really gonna blow his mind when he gets here. I'm excited to show him this. And of course, like the rest of the trucks that we do, full TMaxx PPF, we take this truck apart and that we take all of the trim off of the truck. Every truck that we do a wrap or PPF, we do a clay bar on the surface, so any kind of surface funk or dirt or debris on there is gonna be polished off before we install the PPF. All of the edges are rolled properly. This thing looks like $1 million. So I'm curious what you think. Drop a comment below. Do you like this color? Check out all these angles. It's really gonna blow your mind. All right, everybody, subscribe to our channel and come back soon. We'll keep these Cybertrucks coming your way.